And here we are. This is a review of the Lego Far From Home Spider-Man set number 76128. And I wanted to use this on top of my mock. So we have our minifigures. We have 3 minifigures. So the first one is Mysterio. And Mysterio has cool printing on the front and on the legs and on the feet. He has a cape and printing on the back. He does not have any printing on his face, but he has a cool helmet, like a fish dome. Okay, the next one is the firefighter, and he comes with a type of pistol that looks like a fire extinguisher. So he built this fire extinguisher using the pistol. He is also printed on the back and the front of the torso and on the legs. He has a nice hat. Now here, you've just been webbed. Spider-Man is in his new black Spider-Man outfit from Far From Home, which I have not seen. So since I have not seen Far From Home, I cannot tell you the name of that outfit. And here we are with the lava monster. What I like about it is the look. It looks just simply awesome. What I do not like about him is, well, he's very uncontrollable. He falls over very easily, and the things seem to fall off of him quite easily. So if I wanted to put him in the mock, I tried to adjust his arms, and it seems a little bit random. I tried to get him to stand up nice and tall, and usually he falls over. This time he didn't. Just prove me wrong, monster. Okay. And then he has here. Okay, now he's falling. Okay. These beautiful claws, which I liked. And then I did have problems with a fly while I was building this, so I did lose a couple of pieces trying to swat that fly. So my complaint is that this is flat on the feet. So when I try to go put him as a mock monster, like meaning on my mock mountain. So if I make a mountain, I want him to stand on the mountain. Or if you were to put him in the city, you would want him to stand up firmly on the city. He does not stand up being attached to a plate, so I couldn't just put him on a plate. It does not work. There's no way. And then see, well, obviously I would use 2 hands, but he tips over easily. Pieces fly off way too easily. And I do love this shooting mechanism. All you have to do is turn it and poo poo, poo poo poo. And because it is so much fun, they give you the extra pieces, because that is just a barrel of fun. But other than the fun factor, the putting it in your muck, you have to make adjustments. So replace a piece with something that you'll be able to put them in your muck. Unless you can attach them to the inside of the legs and attach something to hold them up. But there is my review of this Far From Home set. This is called Molten Man Battle. So what I've been calling Lava Guy is actually called Molten Man. But I still like Lava Guy. But he is called Molten Man. But he's cool. The pieces are cool. And the overall theme is really good. But this piece has fallen off like about 5 times already. So that's my complaint about that it just needs a better place to put this so it doesn't keep falling off. And then he needs to be more stable because he's gonna fall over again. And I'm not too fond. Maybe it's all right. Maybe it's these pieces. I don't know. Maybe it needs to be more brick built. Maybe he needs to be a little more sturdier, like I don't know, but these legs. He does a good split though. So thank you for watching. Have fun building.